Hello, my lovely communities. I'm back again as Zubair bin Umar. As you all know, I normally discuss about internet and social media stuff in this my channel. So today's topic, we are going to look into how do we fall victim to Ponzi scheme, that is online scammers. Like, how do we fall into their trap? How do we get attracted to their online activities? Well, summarizely, let me explain to you how these Ponzi scheme activities used to run online. You know, Ponzi platform is a platform that is created by a certain group of people, and that will ask you to invest into their platform and promise you a huge amount of profits in a short period of time. Let's assume you came across a platform that asks you to invest 10,000 naira and promise you to get 30,000 naira end of the week as a return profit. 30,000 naira as a profit in just a week. Or let's assume you came across a platform that asks you to pay a certain amount of money before you get yourself registered and ask you to perform a task of inviting certain number of people to join the platform before you get paid. Or you might come across a certain platform that they will ask you to keep on performing a task so that you should meet their own target before withdrawing what you have earned. So at the end of the day, you now reach the target, but lately they will now ask you to invite certain amount of people before your withdrawal. All the examples are listed are what we call a Ponzi platform. The question here is that why do we fall victims to such kind of platform? Why do we get attracted to such kind of platform? The primary reason here is just simple: greediness, laziness. You see these two things, greediness and laziness, is the cause of all what we have been encountering on social media. Is the reason why we are falling victim to Ponzi scheme. Is the reason why we are falling victim to online scammers. We are greedy and we are lazy. If not because of greediness and laziness, how on earth someone will ask you to invest in his business and promise to give you a percentage that is 2 times what you have invested in his business? Why? Because you like free things. You have seen free things, and you are lazy for you to even start on your own. You are lazy for you to make a research about what you are trying to invest into. And in another means, you just came across a platform on social media. They ask you to pay, you paid and get yourself registered, and they now ask you to invite 10 people. Then among those 10 people you invite as your downlines, they'll ask you to tell them and also let them invite each member of your downline. He should invite another 10 people, and all the remaining 10 people they still invite them too, they are going to pay before they get themselves registered. Now, won't you sit down, think deeply and ask yourself, who is getting richer? Is it you and your downlines, or the founder of that platform? Who is getting richer? And you have to ask yourself this question before you get yourself registered in any platform. Do you really know the physical location of that organization? Do you know the real owner of that organization? Do you have the contact of the real owner of the organization that you can be having a conversation or communication with the owner of the platform? You don't. You don't have any means of communicating with them. You don't have any means of laying a complaint to anyone. You just see this. You just came across a link or a platform on social media. You dive into it, invest your money. At the end of the day, after they have met up their target, their financial target, everything crashed. After that, you'll not be disturbing the person that invited you, and the person that invited you, he will also lay a complaint to the person that invited him. Then at the end of the day, the solution will be nowhere to be found. Guys, get rid of that laziness in you. Learn something productive. Try and be productive to yourself. There is a lot of money on social platform. There is a lot of money in social media that you can learn, make a research, and start making your own money legitimately. Like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you.